now let's go take a look at how to fold and hang clothes together. Start by laying your pants down on a flat surface, something like a bed or a table. Then I like to tuck my pockets in, and if there's a button, to button it, but you don't have to do that. Next, look for an imaginary line from the top of the pants to the inseam. There actually is some on jeans. That's where the zipper is. Then fold one pant leg over that imaginary line so it's laying on top of the other pant leg. Then fold up the bottom of the pants all the way to the top of the pants. You can keep it like this or fold it over one more time, depending how you store it in your dresser or closet. Voila! Pants are folded. Let's look at the steps again, this time if you're folding shorts. Lay your shorts down on the flat surface. Look for that line in the middle, or use an imaginary line. Then fold one side of the shorts over the other side of the shorts, and the bottom of the shorts towards the top of the shorts. Then turn your shorts over and take a look. You've folded your shorts. If you have dress pants or trousers, you might choose to hang these up instead of folding them. To do this, begin by laying the pants down on a flat surface. Then you want to locate the front and the back of the pants. That's where the button is and where the tag is. Grab those parts of the pants with each hand. Then pull them tight. Here you can see that the front of the pants are on this side and the back are on this side. Now I'm going to lay the pants flat this way, a little different than they were before. Instead of folding them, pull the pants through the middle of the hanger. And then move the hanger down until it's around in the middle of the pants. And then pull the hanger up. Now your pants are hanging nicely on your hanger. But let's rewind and look at a different way you can do this. When your pants are laying down flat, with the front on one side and the back on the other, you can use a hanger with clips to clip the pants instead. Clip the front and the back. Now your pants are hanging fully down off the hanger. When you go to hang them on the rod, make a little bit of room and then hang the top of the hanger off that rod. Or with your folded pants, you can place them in your closet or in a dresser, however you like them. Now that we've learned the steps for how to fold and hang different articles of clothes, it's your turn to practice at home, and then click this next video to learn some more life skills at home. And click the link in the description to join our email list for other resources.